So this is the video that I was talking about. This costed $12,000. I'm in severe credit card debt. As you can see, there's a lot of phones on these tables. We got iPhone 15, we got iPhone 15 Plus, we got the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max, titaniums, the normal ones. This video frustrated a lot of people. Everyone in the comment section was like, this is the reason that the iPhones are sold out. Samsung's better. Can I get a free phone, please? That basically sums up my comment section. Let's start with the 15 series. Let's put the Pro and the Pro Max to the side. Let's start with the colorful ones. I'm so excited about these colors. As you can see, I didn't order the color black because it's black. Why would I need to order that? Let's start with the yellow. So what I've got here is an iPhone 15 yellow in the 128, and we got the pull tabs. Let's see if it's a satisfying pull tab. Woo. My first impression to the Samsung Z Flip Yellow was amazing. So let's see if this will impress me. Huh? That's white. A little bit yellow here, a little bit yellow there, white everywhere else, and more yellow here. Ooh, these corners are soft. Really light phone. Yeah, that's much it. Still has the silent button. I was not expecting it to be this white. Let me just get the Samsung quickly. Okay, everyone's gonna say I'm an Apple hater and stuff. I am not an Apple hater. It's just, if you're gonna call it yellow, what is this then? If this is yellow and this is yellow, huh? I mean, it's good, but it's white. Let's get into the green one. Ooh, 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 now, okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now, maybe I'm colorblind, because this is, look, they all have a tint of whiteness to them, but this is mint. This is mint. I like this. So, mint sides, and then glossy back. I like this a lot. And we got the 15 Plus in pink. This is the one that everyone is going crazy for. The green is my favorite right now, although I thought I would like the yellow a lot, but I don't know. Let's see. Whoa. Yes, makes sense. Makes so much sense. This is a beautiful pink. Love this. I love this, yeah. Would I get it for myself? Honestly? Why not? It's 2023, who cares? Yes, it's a great pink. Wait, my eyes are just seeing colors right now. Like the yellow is becoming yellow. I think it's because, I need to get a test done. My eyes couldn't see colors before it. Okay, now I see colors, now I like them. They're all good. Pretty sure you see them too, right? I'm pretty sure after the green and the pink came out, it makes sense now. Is the blue gonna be good? Okay, so the blue gives me the same vibe that the yellow gave me. It's white, but it's blue, but it's not. I don't know. It's funny because when I put them side by side and the colors combine, then the colors show up. This matte finish, that's amazing. That's what you would have got on a Pro series, because I know a lot of people that will be like, why there is no matte finish and you get fingerprints on it? There is 0 fingerprints. This is not any fingerprints on it. So you get that aluminum side and then 0 fingerprints on it. Beautiful. Let's quickly hear from our sponsors today. Me. Hi, I'm Puya. I'm in massive credit card debt. If you'd like to help me out, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, a like and a comment. I want to quit my 9 to 5. As you know it was coming. The 9 to 5 shirts will come out when I hit 1 million subscribers. If I haven't quit by that time. My job, not YouTube. Oh yeah, let's get back into the video. So we got 15 Pro Max in blue titanium and the natural titanium that everyone is gushing over. I'm really excited about the natural titanium. Every video that I watched, the reviewers were going crazy about the fact that it's light, that it's 20 grams lighter than the one before it. I gotta see it. I gotta see it to believe it, because I don't know. They are kinda technically paid by Apple, so they say good stuff. This is my money, so I'm angry. Maybe that's why I will be honest about it. I'm not even doing them one by one, so I'm opening them because I'm in a rush. Let's go with the blue. I'm not really excited for the blue, but what can we do? Let's see how it is. Oh, not bad. It's really dark. It's the same thing as the 14 Pro Max Deep Purple. It's not a blue. It's literally deep blue, like good color. Whoa, whoa, this is light. What? So the reviewers weren't lying. This is actually light. These curved edges make everything better. Yes, okay, you know what? They weren't lying. It's light. It has these curved edges, make it so comfortable in the hand. Because the way that I hold it, as you can see, my little pinky falls here, and the 13 Pro Max that I had used to hurt my fingers a lot. I'll give this color a 6 out of 10. Not a big fan, not a big fan. These colorful ones though, they are becoming colorful in my eyes. I am definitely colorblind. So, love them. And you're there too. This guy is the star of the show. The natural titanium, the one that they're going crazy about. The one that everyone wants. If you want to order the blue, the delivery date is like 5 or 6 days, and this is like 10 weeks. I guess we know which one is the favorite one, but let's get into it. So, natural titanium. I'm in love. I'm in love with, woo! God damn. My camera is not justifying the beauty of this phone. I am saying it right now. This and the Sierra Blue are the best colors that Apple has ever made. Holy moly, something rhyming with moly. This is amazing. And it's so light. I am so glad I'm getting a 15 Pro. It's light, it's comfortable to hold in one hand. This is the thing that I was gonna mention. So this action button right here, look at the way that I have to go from here to here to do the action button. Well, on the 15 Pro itself, I just have to hold it the way that I am and press done. This is the phone, guys. This is the phone. Let's quickly recap the specs on these phones. With the iPhone 15 series, you get dynamic island, 48 megapixel camera, USB-C Type 2, that means it's as slow as lightning. Also, you get A16 processor. The brightness of the display is the same as 14 Pro, unlike this guy who commented on my last video saying that I need to do research, and I pointed out proof from Apple's website. He doesn't believe it. When it comes to the finishes, you got the matte texture on both of them, and you got aluminum on this and titanium on that. And this year, I can clearly say that the 15 Pro Max series are way lighter. Let's get into the specs of the 15 Pro and the Pro Max. When it comes to their processor, they both have A17 Pro processor, which is great when it comes to gaming. I need to put this through a test for video editing, and I'll let you know how it goes. Both these phones have 48 megapixel sensors, and like I said, they would do 24 megapixel photo, which will be great when it comes to exposure and the resolution. So it's the best of the both worlds. When it comes to the 15 Pro, I call it literally a 14 Pro because there's the only difference between this and a 14 Pro is the USB-C, which is 20 times faster than this USB-C. And also you get just the next generation processor on it and titanium. That's all. So if you're coming from a 14 Pro, do not upgrade. I am guilty. I am coming from 14 Pro. Anyways, besides that, when it comes to the 15 Pro Max, you got a 5x camera when it comes to the zoom. We gotta put that to the test and see if it actually makes a difference. So when it comes to these 15 series, although they don't have the third lens, Apple has allowed it to optically zoom in 2 times using that 48 megapixel camera, which is amazing. So you don't need this third lens. Do you see those bezels? They're the tiniest bezels out there. This feels so good in hand. That's what she said. Look, a lot of people thought I'm an Apple hater. I'm the biggest Apple fanboy out there, so I'm gonna be their biggest critic. If the phone is crap, I'm gonna call it out. Are these great phones? Yes. Are these great upgrades? No, they are not. They are not better than the 14 Pro Max. Are they fooling me to buy them because they are lighter, they have thinner bezels, and also these parts are like really curved and it feels really good in hand? Hell yeah, I want it, and I want this titanium, as everyone would want. This titanium is gorgeous. So this was a just short unboxing. Make sure you subscribe because I will be doing a full review comparing the cameras. I will be comparing them to multiple phones such as the Z Flip 5, S23 Ultra, 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro, Pixels. That's coming up in a week. I love you so much. Hey. It's time for you guys to go now. Leave me with my phones. I love you so much. Titanium. Titanium.